Imagine a single device that can handle almost any drive you throw at it, from tiny M.2s to chunky 3.5-inch HDDs, and even clone them without a computer. Sounds like magic, right? Well, the ICY BOX M.2 NVMe and SATA docking station aims to do just that, and it's genuinely impressive. First off, let's talk about installation. Forget screwdrivers and fiddly cables. Whether you're popping in a slim M.2 SSD or a beefy 3.5-inch hard drive, it's literally a drop-and-go affair. The tool-free design is a huge win for convenience, making swapping drives an absolute breeze. But here's where it gets really interesting: one-touch offline cloning. No computer needed. Just slot in your source and target drives, M.2 NVMe SATA to M.2 NVMe, or even a traditional SSD HDD to M.2 NVMe, hit a button, and watch the LEDs do their thing. It's a lifesaver for quick backups or upgrading your system drive. Just remember, the target needs to be larger than the source, and always back up your data first, because, better safe than sorry. And speaking of versatility, this thing plays nice with absolutely everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, your PS4, Xbox, even your smart TV. It's a true universal storage expansion hub, making it incredibly useful for a wide range of setups. Performance-wise, with USB 3.2 Gen 2, you're looking at blazing 10 gigabits per second transfer rates. For gamers, video editors, or anyone moving massive files, this means significantly less waiting and more doing. It's fast, efficient, and really cuts down on those frustrating transfer times. Even under heavy loads, the advanced open-frame design keeps things cool and stable. No throttling, just consistent high performance, which is crucial when you're pushing data around. In the box, you get everything you need: the docking station itself, a handy 2-in-1 USB-C cable for both Type-C and Type-A ports, a power adapter, and even some M.2 rubber fixations. Plus, a solid 24-month warranty for peace of mind. So, is the ICY BOX M.2 NVMe and SATA docking station worth it? Absolutely. It's a brilliantly designed, incredibly versatile, and genuinely powerful tool for anyone who deals with multiple types of storage. It simplifies data management, speeds up workflows, and offers a level of convenience that's hard to beat. This isn't just a docking station, it's an essential piece of tech for your digital life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.